Hello everyone. This is a follow-up to my previous video that I showed you guys how to go ahead and add a new file to your SharePoint site. In case you missed that, I wanted to do a separate video to show you how you can actually open up files on your SharePoint site and just edit them right through your site. So you don't have to open them up locally and re-upload them or anything like that. So in the previous video, we went ahead and created a new file, and what it's doing is just showing some employee benefits. So employees could come in here and they could click on this file. So that's kind of the goal of this video, to show you guys how you can open up the file. So you can either come over to the ellipsis, you can click on open, and you can decide if you want to open it up in the browser, in the app, or an immersive reader, or you can just go ahead and click on it here, and then depending on your, I'm pretty certain it should open it up in browser view first, and then from there you could always change it. Just click on editing and then go over to open in desktop in case you want to look at it in desktop view. But once you're on here, the employee, depending on their permissions that you've granted them, they can either make changes to that document or they can just read it. So that is how you go into different files on your SharePoint site. And well, actually, let me show you another one that I don't think they can actually make changes to it since it's a text file. So once they click on it, it should just show, oh, looks like they can make changes on this one too. Cool. So employee info 2. Save. Okay, let's click out and then reopen. Okay, yeah, so it looks like the text files you can actually edit right on SharePoint as well. So like I was just showing you guys, if you come over to it, either click on the ellipsis, come over to open, and you can decide where you want to open it, or you can just click on the file and make changes within the browser view.